Hello everyone. Okay, so for my first question, I asked ChatGPT to provide 10 writing prompts for creative writing for second graders. So first it gave all of these options, which I think all are super great. I know if I were a student, I would look forward to writing about almost any of these. Then I had it regenerate and it came up with 10 more. And then finally one more time came up with 10 more. So as you can see right here, it really easily came up with 30 writing prompts, like right off the bat, super quick. Like next I asked for a student-centered lesson plan for second graders learning math. So this was a little bit broad, but I just wanted to see what it would come up with. So it came up with 3 different really great in-depth lesson plans, like down to minutes being involved. So this one is learning addition with counting bears. Then next we have math adventure with number blocks, which is another really fun one. And then the last one is exploring addition with fun games. So really, again, it just gave me a almost full lesson plan. Obviously that would probably have to be adapted to my specific classroom, but in a very short amount of time. And then finally I asked for ways to incorporate movement into my second grade classroom. So here it gave me the first 11, and they are all great. I mean, some of them, like brain breaks, I'd kind of thought of before, but like these are great examples of seat changes, like different ways to do that outside of like academics or like anything like that. Math relay races, how to get movement within a lesson plan. And then obviously I asked for more, so there's 11 more and even 11 more. So what I really thought was awesome was that it just like gave me 33 ideas within 2 minutes, which is just crazy. So I think what's really cool about ChatGPT is I didn't really put very detailed questions, detailed prompts into it, and it really just like understood kind of what I was going for. Obviously, if this was maybe for an actual classroom and I had more of an idea of what I wanted to do, I could add more details and it would take that, but I didn't need to add a bunch of details. It worked without them just fine, and it gave me some great material. Which version would work best? I really think any of them. For me, I really just like this ChatGPT of AI. It really makes this really easy and gives me all of these options. What I really found amazing was, again, just the way it opened up so many doors for me of what I can do in my classroom. It gave me 30 creative writing prompts, 3 in-depth math lessons, and 33 ways to incorporate movement into the classroom, and that like all within a span of 5 minutes. And that is just something that could really take teaching very far. So the next question is, how could you use ChatGPT as a teacher or with students in your future classroom? I think this is something that's hard because it is kind of nerve-wracking to think of the idea of students being able to use this to write their papers and cheat on homework. But as shown here, it's also something that can really be super awesome to have in the classroom and to explore with students. And there's so many helpful things about it, like all of these ideas that it's just given me. So